we are germs and keeping our hands clean. My name is Gracie Foster.
My name is Hayden Gray.
My name is Malia Paulsen.
My name is Jordyn Turner.
Some people think germs are bugs or cooties.
Germs are actually tiny living organisms that make you sick.
Germs are everywhere.
When germs enter our bodies, we don't know until we get sick.
There are 4 major types of germs:
bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa are found all over the world.
When germs enter our bodies, they stay until our bodies can fight them off.
When germs produce toxic poison inside our bodies.
These toxic poisons can cause fever, a stuffy nose, coughing, vomiting, or even diarrhea.
When your body is invaded by germs, it's important to go to the doctor.
Sometimes your doctor can prescribe medicine to fight off the germs, but some germs cannot be fought off with medicine.
Germs are spread through the air when you sneeze, cough, and breathe.
Germs can also be passed by touching something that has been contaminated with germs from someone who is sick.
When your body is... According to a school nurse, she sees at least 8 students a day who are sick. About 4 of them will have a fever.
She said most of them probably get germs from other kids at school or people in public places such as grocery stores.
We watched a video that showed us just how easily it is to pass germs from one person to another.
We learned the best way to stop from getting sick is to protect yourself from germs.
How to protect yourself? Wash your hands. The best way to wash your hands is, the best way to wash your hands is with soap and water. Rub your hands together for at least 15 seconds.
If you sneeze or cough, cover your mouth. Covering your mouth with your elbow will keep you from contaminating your hands.
Using tissues is another way to stop the spread of germs. After you throw a used tissue in the trash, you need to use hand sanitizer or wash your hands.
Our problem. Recently, a large number of students have been absent from school because they have gotten sick. The Center for Disease Control has reported this year the flu has reached its widespread level.
Even in our young classroom, many classmates have missed school because they have gotten sick.
We wanted to know if our classmates were protecting themselves from getting sick. We counted how many students in our class either washed their hands or used hand sanitizer before eating lunch.
8 out of our 19 classmates used hand sanitizer or washed their hands before they ate lunch.
Only half of our class protected themselves from getting germs before they ate lunch.
We asked our class why they didn't protect themselves from germs before they ate lunch. They did not understand how important it was to protect themselves.
Our hypothesis: we can show our classmates how easy it is to spread germs and teach them how to protect themselves from germs. More students will wash their hands or use hand sanitizer before eating lunch.
We needed to show the class just how easy it is to get germs and how to get rid of the germs.
We gave each student some lotion. The lotion represented all the stuff they touch every day.
We then sprinkled glitter on their hands. The glitter shows them how many germs get stuck to their hands just by touching things in the classroom.
The germs stuck on their hands. Some of our classmates tried to shake their germs off. Some even tried to wipe the germs off.
The germs could not be shaken off if they tried to rub their hands together or wipe their hands on their tables or clothes. Our classmates saw that the germs were transferred from one place to another.
explained how to wash their hands so the germs would no longer be on their hands.
Some of my classmates did not use soap. They found out the germs were still stuck to their hands. We told them to go back and use soap and water. The next time they came back, their hands were clean.
After the experiment, we discussed just how important it was to clean your hands before you eat.
We asked our class how many of them would wash their hands or use hand sanitizer or using hand sanitizer before eating lunch now.
Every student raised their hand and said they would protect themselves from germs before eating lunch.
Later that morning, we watched our classmates. Everyone either washed their hands or used hand sanitizer before we walked out to the cafeteria for lunch without being reminded.
Since the experiment, we have been watching our classmates and they are still protecting themselves from germs before they ate lunch.
We used many different resources for our project.
Thank you. Our school nurse Melissa, our classmates, our teacher Arden, or Miss Maria, Miss Barton.